Now, here are common mistakes to avoid when pitching. Of course, we've talked about many of these. Remember, these mistakes can cost you that client. Number one is sending generic pitches that are not tailored to the client's needs. So we've talked about this a lot. Don't send the same pitch to everyone. You need to personalize. The next thing is focusing too much on your own experience and not enough on how you can help the client. This is a very big mistake. What you need to do is, to make it relevant to the client, to make your experience relevant to the client. Yeah. So you need to show the client that you know how to help them by stating to them in their pitch how you are going to help them achieve their goals. The next thing you need to do is is using overly salesy language. So overly salesy language is someone, who is trying too much to impress. Yeah, you need to avoid that. Don't come out as someone, trying to impress so much. Yeah, just all you have to do is just show your client who you are, what you do, and that you understand what they are looking for and you have what they are looking for. That's it.